Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm going to show you how to broadcast on Starmaker. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to broadcast on Starmaker, go open your Starmaker application first. Make sure to sign into your account if you are not. Once you reach the home screen of the Starmaker, tap on the party icon at the bottom of the screen. On this page, there are different tabs out. They're at the top: Solo Live, Multi-Guest, and Ranking, in order to broadcast on Starmaker. Choose the Live option. Here's the list of the people that are live broadcasting at the moment. If you want to scroll through the live broadcast, then you can select the tab at the top: Global Hot Following, and History to be able to broadcast on Starmaker. Tap on the Live button at the upper right. You can see it right here at the top right corner. Simply tap on Live, and you'll end up on this page right here. You can go ahead and type in the title for your live streaming. If you want high definition live, then enable this button right here, and you can beautify your live stream by choosing from the menu at the bottom. If you want to apply any filters for your live broadcast, and tap on the Filters button at the bottom right and choose between the filters that are displayed. You can increase or decrease the intensity of the filters by dragging the small white dots. After you're done and ready for live broadcasting, go and tap on Go Live, and that is how it is done. To end the live broadcast, tap on the Power button at the upper right, and from the pop-up, tap on Confirming and your live has come to an end. That is how you can broadcast on Starmaker easily. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.